Hello everyone, and welcome to this short tutorial how to reset service B on a Mercedes W211 from year 2002 to 2009, I think. So this is what you should do. Put the key in the ignition, first position, then press the reset button 3 times. Okay, now we are in the service menu. So next what we need to do is guide it with these arrows. Okay, let's see. Okay, we get to the service menu with this arrow, or this, whatever you need, whatever you want, better say. Then we go with the plus and minus here to the all the way down to confirmation. You must stand on a confirmation, and then we just need to press, I think, some of these. Yes, this button here to confirm. Okay, and now you press one more time confirm, standard oil, whatever it asks. One more and service confirmed. After we reset the service interval, now we just put regularly the key into the ignition and start the vehicle normally, and that's it. There is no more service B required menu. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope this video helps you. See you in the next one.